Hi, my name is Christof Lorenz and I'm working at the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. To be more precise, I'm working at the so-called Campus Alpine of the KIT, which is located in the beautiful German Alps right below the highest mountain of Germany, the Zugspitze. At our institute, we analyze the impact of climate change on our region using climate data from our Torino pre-alpine observatory, as well as advanced models, machine learning approaches, and remote sensing techniques. In recent years, climatic extreme events like heavy precipitation, flooding and heat waves, as well as several snow-poor winters, clearly showed that climate change has left its mark on almost all important sectors in our environment. There is also scientific evidence that high alpine regions are warming at an above-average rate, a trend that is expected to continue in the future. This obviously will have severe consequences on our landscape. Melting glaciers, a further decrease of snow days and even snow droughts with long-term impacts on water availability. Changes in our bio and ecosystems, as well as an increased risk of natural hazards, will affect nearly every aspect of life in the Alps. These changes are not just of environmental concern, but also have socio-economic implications, affecting local communities that rely heavily on, for example, tourism and agriculture. In order to tackle these challenges, our climate research has made substantial advancements and is increasingly driven by user and application-oriented approach. Improvements of our model and observation systems towards higher spatial resolutions, as well as the integration of complex feedbacks between land surface, atmosphere, and our bio and ecosystems, allow to investigate climate impacts at much finer scales in greater detail. And this is crucial in complex terrain like the Alps. Furthermore, advancements in our forecasting systems with greater reliability for longer forecasting periods such as weeks and months allow to provide information that can substantially improve our climate preparedness. As strong supporters of open science policies, we further make a concerted effort to ensure that tools, data and findings are openly accessible to the broader scientific community, policymakers and the public. My take-home message is this: to effectively respond to the impacts of climate change on our alpine region, we must enhance communication and collaboration among local communities, stakeholders, decision makers and research institutions, aiming not only to adapt to changing conditions, but also to strengthen our mitigation efforts. Together, we can leverage our combined knowledge and resources to develop sustainable solutions that enable our unique alpine environment to remain resilient in a changing climate.